Diana, did you know these chips travel in their own little spaceship? Look how puffy this bag is.
Whoa, a spaceship for chips? I have always wondered why they are so puffy. Are they trying to trick us by putting less chips inside?
No, it's not a trick. The puffiness is actually there to protect the chips. It's like their comfy pillow during shipping.
Whoa, a pillow for chips? That's pretty cool. But why can't they just pack it with more chips instead of air?
It's not just regular air in the bags, they fill them with nitrogen gas to keep the chips fresh.
Nitrogen? Isn't there a gas? Why not use oxygen? We breathe oxygen every day.
If they used oxygen, the chips would get stale and soggy faster. Oxygen makes food spoil because it reacts with the oils.
Oh, so nitrogen is like a superhero that stops the chips from getting old.
Exactly. Nitrogen doesn't react with the oils in the chips, so it keeps them crunchy and fresh for a long time.
That's awesome. So the gas inside the bag isn't wasted space. It's a snack protector.
Yup, and it's also there to cushion the chips. Imagine if the bag didn't have that extra air. The chips would break into a million pieces during delivery.
I wouldn't want to open a bag of chips crumbs. So the air works like a soft blanket to keep them safe.
Totally. It's like they are packed in a bouncy cloud that absorbs all the bumps.
But why can't they fill the bag with more chips and nitrogen? I could always go for more chips.
Well, manufacturers have to balance it. If they pack too many chips, there won't be enough room for the nitrogen to protect them.
Oh, so it's a mix of air and chips to make sure we get a good crunch every time.
Yep, and here is something cool. Nitrogen also helps keep out moisture. No one likes soggy chips, right?
Ew, soggy chips? No thanks. So nitrogen keeps them dry too.
Exactly. Moisture is another enemy of chips. Nitrogen helps keep the bag airtight so no moisture can snake in.
I had no idea these bags were working so hard. It's like the perfect snack fortress.
Right. And did you know that without air, chips would actually get crushed even in a store?
So no nitrogen equals flat broken chips. That would be a snack disaster.
Exactly. It's not just about protecting them in the truck. Even when they are sitting on the shelf, the air keeps the chips safe.
And here, I thought they were just trying to sell me less chips. Turns out, they are snack-saving superheroes.
Totally. Next time you see a puffy bag, remember it's filled with nitrogen. Chips, best friend.
I am never looking at chips bags the same way again. Nitrogen for the win.
And for us, more fresh, crunchy chips every time.
Alright, let's finish this bag of protected nitrogen-filled deliciousness.
Agreed. Snack time has never been cooler like this. Okay, goodbye and good night.